Hello students, hope all are fine. Let us begin our class with a new topic. See what the topic I am going to teach you means from the page number 97 from your textbook children. We are going to write the writing part. We are going to do the writing part. What is given? Many bits are involved children. First, second, third. There are 3 bits involved here. 3 and 4 bits are involved. From those bits we are going to do the third bit children. What is the third bit consist of? If you see 97 page number, third bit. Assume that you were one of the victims of the flood and received some help from a donor. Write a letter thanking him and expressing your gratitude. Okay children, that means third bit we are going to write the letter writing. What is that we are going to write here? Letter writing. Okay children, we are going to write a letter. On which topic? That is the main question. On which topic you are going to write? See here. Assume that you were one of the victims of flood and received some help from a donor. Means you are the victim. Recently we have completed one lesson children. What is the name of the lesson? A havoc of flood. Okay. What are the damages caused due to the flood? That means in the lesson some damages have caused in Kurnool district. Yes. Now you should have to think that you were one of the victim. That means you have faced that. You have faced what? You have faced that flood. Now, and you are the victim of that flood and received some help. You got some help at that time from a donor. From a donor. Somebody has helped for you children. Somebody has helped for you in the floods. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to write a letter thanking that person. Thanking that person. Who is that person? Who did help to you? No. We are going to write a letter to that person. For what purpose you are writing? For thanking him children. For thanking him and expressing your gratitude. Expressing your thoughts. Okay. And saying thank to him. How you are writing children? See here. First of all, what we are writing? We are going to write a letter. Yes, we are going to write a letter. So, first of all, you should know children, being in the 9th class, you are in the 9th class now. If you are in the 9th class, you should have to know what steps are involved, which points are involved in writing the letter writing. Let us rewind children. Let us rewind which steps are involved. Okay, there are 6 points children. How many points? Total 6 points are there. The first one is heading children. H-E-A-D-I-N-G. Heading. First one what involves here? Heading. In heading what comes? Date and place comes children. Date and place. Heading means in the letter writing, first of all, date and place involves. Second one is salutation. What is it children? Salutation. Salutation, or you can tell greetings. What children? Salutation and greeting. Second one point is salutation or greeting. Third one is, what is the third one? Body of the letter. Body of the letter. Third step is body of the letter. What is the fourth step children? The fourth step is subscription. 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 Fifth one is signature. Fifth one is signature. And the sixth one children, sixth one is superscription. Superscription. Okay, superscription children. Small p. So these are the steps. Superscription is nothing but address. To address. Okay, to address. Address or address on envelope children. Okay, also look on the blackboard. What I have told here. See, in letter writing, how many steps are involved? How many points you should have to remind while writing the letter writing? you should have to mention the heading. Okay, the first step is you should have to mention the heading. Second step is the salutation, or you can tell greetings also, children. Your greeting. Next, third one is body of the letter. What is the main theme? What is the main purpose? For what purpose you are going to write? You will be mentioning in the body of the letter. Next, fourth one is superscription, children. Superscription is yours lovingly, yours faithfully, yes, yours obediently. You write or not? So that is called the superscription. Signature. Signature is nothing but who is writing the letter. He or she should have to mention the signature. Next, sixth one is superscription. Superscription is main important. It is easy to, if you are mentioning the superscription means the letter is easy to deliver to that place for whom you are writing to, for whom you are going to write the letter. That is the place for superscription. That means you are going to write the address, to address or address on envelope, children. This is the superscription. So these are the 6 steps involved in letter writing. Shall we start writing the letter, children? Now. Yes. Let us begin with the first step, children. What is the first step involved here? Heading. Where you are going to write? In your notes or on the paper, on the right side you are going to write the heading. So suppose your heading is what? Which place? Okay, which place you are going to? From which place you are going to write? That place you should have to mention. Suppose the floods are occurred in which place? The Kurnool city. So let us write what happened? Kurnool city. To the right side you are going to write. K should be capital. Name of the place. K should be capital letter. So Kurnool. Kurnool. Comma, children. Place and a date. That is the heading part. Date. On which date you are going to write? Write that date. Okay. Date, month, year. Okay, this is the heading part, children. This is the heading part. What the first step of writing, the first part of letter writing, what, children? Here, heading. How you are writing? You are writing mentioning the place and you are mentioning the date also. So this is the heading part. This is the heading part, children. Yes, this is the heading part. And heading part, you can write the total address. You can mention here also, children. From address. From address. Who is writing here? From address. Who is writing? That means you are writing, no? You are writing. You are the victim of flood. You are the victim of flood, and you are writing the letter. From whom? Suppose write R. Kishore, K-I-S-H-O-R-E, R Kishore, comma, house number. House number you should mention, children. House number 1, 2, 3, 4 dash or something, okay? Or 12.34. Which state? From which district you are writing? Kurnool, K-U-R-N-O-O-L, Kurnool place, okay? From this you are writing. Keep the full stop. Keep the punctuation marks in mind, children. Everybody should keep the punctuation marks in mind. Who is writing here? Kishore. Okay, this all will involve in the heading only. This is the heading what you are doing in the letter writing, children. Now goes to the second step. Second step. You are writing from address, no, children. To the left side. To the right side. Name of the place and date on which day you are going to write the letter. That here from address you are writing. It is also involved in heading only. Okay, heading from address is involved in heading only. Now the second step, children. Now the second step is, what is the second step here? Now the second step is salutation. Down of what, children? Down of heading. You are going to write a salutation. Sir, comma. Sir, comma. This will be the salutation. Salutation or what, children? Greeting also you can tell. Greeting. Okay. Salutation and or greeting also you can do. Sir, suppose you are writing for one person here in the letter writing, sir you are mentioned. While you are writing into the headmaster sir, respected sir, you are giving the greeting, that is the salutation part children. Now after salutation which part will come? Body of the letter. Now children, main part of the letter. For what purpose you are going to write the letter? Body of the letter. Here whatever you are writing now children, this will become the body of the letter. Body of the letter. So in this part, sir, you have drawn the box. What you should write? You should have to write for what purpose you are going to write the letter. Okay, the letter is about what? Giving thanks. Okay, writing, giving thanks to that person who has donated you something in the floods. Yes or no? No, that part you should have to write. How you should write? How we should start? You will get that out. Yes, in this way I will read. Listen carefully, children. How you will write? I do not know whether you remember me or even know me. Yes or no, children? He is the flood infected. He is the victim of the flood infected. Who? This boy, Kishore. Kishore is writing the letter. He is the flood infected victim. Now he is writing a letter to the donor. Whether the donor knows his name or knows him or not, we don't know. And he is reminding for the donor whether you remember me or even know me. I am R. Kishore. I am one of the person of the victim of flood. My name is R. Kishore. I am R. Kishore. A flood victim from Kurnool. I am from Kurnool. The person who has infected from the in the floods. Next, I am happy. I am happy to inform you that I am the one who received the packet that you have sent to the flood victim. I was very happy by seeing that you have sent me the packet. Okay, you have sent me the packet to the flood victim. It had some clause. What it had, he is mentioning the things also. What he sent the packet, he is mentioning. What is present in the packet, he is mentioning in the body of the letter, children. How is mentioning here? It had, the packet consists of some cloths. What he had? He had some cloths, some medicines, blankets, and some packed food also. Okay, packed food also. This many items he have found in the packet. Next, some of us even shared with them, with our neighbors. Some of us even share them with our neighbors. Not only whatever the packet you have sent, no, that is shared with our neighbors. Not only we have utilized, we have shared the things, whatever things you have sent, we have shared with our neighbors also. It had been very kind of you to have such a great and kind heart, and well, all thank you a lot. And we all thank you a lot. In this way you should write, children. Understood how to write the body of the letter? So last point again I will repeat it. It had been very kind of you to have such a great and a kind heart. We are very thankful that you have that much big heart to help us in floods. Okay, so he is giving the thanks. He is giving the thanks and expressing his gratitude. And we all thank you a lot. We all, the persons who are affected in the floods, no, children, that all people are going to be thankful to you. Whatever the help you have done, no, we are very thankful to you, they are telling. Next, we shall always be grateful to you, and we shall always be grateful. Okay, you are the greatest person, no? So we are be very grateful to you. May God bless you. May God bless your family with peace and prosperity. Okay, we are praying for God that God must give you a good health. Okay, good health with peace and prosperity. Prosperity is nothing but with the money. Okay, money with good health with peaceful mind. We are praying for the God. Okay, children, this is the body of the letter. What we have completed, children? We have completed the body of the letter. How he started? He just giving the thanks, and he is expressing his gratitude. Means he is very thankful to that person who has helped in the floods. Now, children, The body of the letter we have completed. Now we are going for the subscription. In the beginning I don't know 6 points are involved in writing the letter. Next, how is the making? After body of the letter, the last point is thanking. Who is thankful here? The victim is thankful to the donor. Thanking you. Thanking you. Comma should come. See, when you are starting writing the body of the letter, children, many things by your own you can create. You can create by your own few points, and you should have to write the body of the letter. And see that punctuation marks, comma, full stop, or the question mark, whatever it may be, it should be compulsory. After completion of the body of the letter writing, there should be a full stop. Yes. Now, last we are thankful to him. No, thanking you, comma. If you write to the headmaster, sir, thanking you, sir, comma you keep. Yes, I have mentioned that comma here in this view. Next, fourth part. The first part I have completed, heading, and the second part is the salutation. Third part is the body of the letter. Okay, body of the letter, third part. Now fourth part is the subscription. Subscription means yours truly. Yours truly, comma. That means this is called the subscription part. What is this called? Subscription. subscription is the subscription part. Subscription. Comma you should have to mention. Yours truly. Yours lovingly. Yours obediently. Yours lovingly. Like this. You can mention. So this is the one type of letter written to an unknown person for the donor. So you should have to write yours truly. No apostrophe should come here, children. Apostrophe yes should not come here. Capital U should be capital Y should be capital letter. Yours. No apostrophe. Yours truly. This will become the subscription. Next, fifth part is what, children, here? Fifth part is the signature. Signature means who is writing the letter here? R. Kishore. R. Kishore will make the signature. R. K-I-S-H-O-R-E. R. Kishore. This will become the signature, children. Signature. This is the fifth part of the letter. Okay, this is the fifth part of the letter. Now, what is the sixth part, children? Sixth part what? Superscription. What I told? Superscription. Okay, what is involved? Address on envelope. Address on envelope. So what you should write here? Address of whose address? Of whose address you write? The donor's address you should write. To. Okay, address only write to. No full stop, no comma, but to Mr. Yes. Any name? Who has donated you? Ramarao. Okay. Ramarao. Comma. Next, house number. You should have to mention the house number, children. Dash. Okay. Next, place. Place name you should have to mention, and you should have to keep the full stop. Okay. For name, comma, house number, comma, place. Also you should write it. If you have ended the place writing means you should have to keep the full stop. So this is the one type of letter writing, children. I did not write. You are not the small children here. You are in the 9th standard. I have explained the steps involved in writing the letter writing. Okay. In this way, you should have to write one letter. I have explained few points also. That points. If you want to read once again means I will read. I do not know body of the letter I am reading. I do not know whether you remember me or even know me. I am who is that? R. Kishore. Okay, a flood victim from Kurnool. I am happy to inform you that I am the one who received the packet that you have sent to the flood victims. For whom you have sent the flood victims that packet, I am one among them. It had some cloths and blankets, some packed food and some medicine in it. It all had been of great use of us. Some of us even shared. share them with our neighbors. It had been very kind of you to have such a great and kind heart, and we all thank you a lot. We shall always be grateful to you. May God bless your family with peace and prosperity. Prosperity is spelled Prosperity. So this is the body of the letter. After the body of the letter, fourth part is the subscription part. I have written down subscription. Next one, signature. Who is writing the letter? He is going to make the sign there. Next, superscription means to address children. Address on envelope. It can be written on the envelope also. Okay. So to address children. To whom you are writing? To the donor. No? Okay. Suppose some name you mention, Mr. S. Rama Rao, or who have helped you. That person's name you have to mention. House number 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever it may be. Okay. Next, place from which district he is donated. That place name you should have to mention along with the pin code number also. Okay. So follow the punctuation marks in the letter writing. Okay, children. This is the letter writing what I have explained in this class. Next class I will be coming with the another topic.